Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome along everyone. Thought I'd just do a very short video on a quick tip for something you might be interested in when you're doing pen turning. Now here is a brass tube, and I don't know whether it'll actually show it on the camera there, how well it will focus. That is one that came already scuffed up as it is. In the past I've probably done exactly the same as everybody else, put a piece of sandpaper down and just literally gone backwards and forwards, constantly rotating the brass tube to sand it all up. A long time ago I made myself a bowl sander and made these heads. Now if you're interested in making these, I will put a link below for the video on creating the bowl sander. Very quick, cheap and easy job. I mean, even if you only go for these heads. And what I've done is, for the nut that's in there, I have taken a bolt and just took the head off the bolt so it will slot into any drill, and this will then screw on there, and that can be used in anything. I've used it in cordless drills, power drills, on the lathe and on the bowl sander, and here it usually sits in my pillar drill all the time. And the quick tip on this, you'll see in a sec how quick and easy it is to scuff this up and you're not scuffing your fingers away. Now I've just done 1/2 of that, which hopefully it will show on the camera there. And as you can see, it's a matter of seconds and it's so easy. And I've got a fairly rough grit of paper on there. It's probably about 80 grit, something like that, 80 or 100 grit, and it just works a treat. And you might want to experiment with different speeds. I've just got my drill on probably about the second speed up, which is what I tend to use for most of the sanding and a lot of the drilling. So you may well get a slightly different effect with it on a slower speed. So I'll just finish this off. And that is now ready to go into a pen blank. It's not highly scuffed, it's quite light scratches. All you need really is something for the glue to adhere to, so that it's got something to grip on to the tube so it doesn't slip. So it doesn't need to be deep scratches. And I say that one is the example of what was applied, and to be honest, that isn't very rough at all, but you can feel all these little grooves on it. So hopefully that's been of interest to you. Thanks a lot for watching.